Welcome to the Emerald Manor. My name is Mrs. Hatch. I am the Witch of the West. Yes, you heard me right. Witch of the West. I am not wicked unless you choose to have me that way. Now, back to why we are here. I will be your guide during this adventure. Something strange is going on here, and it's up to you to find out what. But in the meantime, let's get back to work. Now, you are going to go back to your daily schedule. And you are going to, there we go. You are going to go back to the waffle in your Google, and you are going to click on Classroom. Now there are 4 other classrooms that you have to join. Join those classrooms using the codes that I have put in your daily schedule. This is where you will go each time I send you to do an activity. Remember, each one of these things will help you figure out what is going on here.